Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I'm Patty and this is my Handmade Lifestyle. Today we're going to try out these Trader Joe's breaded chicken tenderloins and we're going to do them in the air fryer. Alright, first thing, whenever I'm trying something new in the air fryer, I always go to the cooking instructions, and this is recommending 425 and a heat for 25 minutes. So it's high heat and it's kind of a long cook time. So we are going to set our air fryer to 400 degrees because that's as high as it goes. And we're going to try it at 15 minutes. We're going to check them and see how they are. Okay, let's get them ready. I've put the chicken tenderloins in the basket. I have them as flat as I can get them, and not piling up on one another, because you want the heat of the air fryer to circulate around the food that you're cooking. I'm going to spritz with my peanut oil. I just find everything does so much better if you spritz it with the peanut oil. So we're going to set it up. I said 15 minutes. Why don't we set it for 8 and then we'll flip them over and then we'll finish them at about 10 minutes, and then I can spritz them on the other side in between. I will say to you that this air fryer is the smaller one from Cook's Essentials. It's like 3 quarts or something. It's pretty small. If you've got a larger family or people who can really eat a lot, go ahead and get the bigger one. When I replaced this one, I didn't realize how small it was going to be, or I would have gone ahead and gotten a larger one. But I do have a small kitchen, so it works pretty good for us. Okay, we're up to 400 and we'll set it for 8. And okay, I'll just check back in with you when we're to that 8-minute mark. Okay, we're counting down on the first round of the cook time. Let's see what we've got. They look pretty good. I'm going to flip them over. Okay, and then I'm going to spritz them again. I think this is actually going to run pretty close to the time on the package. So let's start it again, going up to 400. That's as high as it goes. And let's go ahead and let it go to 15. And we'll check back in. Okay, this says we have about 4 minutes left. Let's go ahead and check and see what we got. I think those are done. They look super brown. I can hear them sizzling. And the package instructions says to just let them rest for a minute before eating them, so we're going to just let them kind of hang out. I'm going to put them back in here and we'll just turn off. We'll have to unplug it. We'll just turn off the machine and we'll wait a minute and we'll plate them up and see how they are. Okay, here's our chicken, and let's see what we've got. I'm going to try the smaller one. I'm dipping in my own homemade Chick-fil-A sauce. They're good. I think these are really good in the air fryer. Here's the truth though. They're not going to taste like deep fried chicken. They just aren't. You're not going to get that deep fried flavor because you're not using all the oil. But you are getting something that still tastes good, and it's really easy to fix in the air fryer. So I would say, if you like Trader Joe and you're looking for a quick dinner, these little pre-made chicken tenderloins are pretty good in the air fryer. So try them out and let me know what you think. And I'm going to go ahead and finish my lunch.